Hello, good people. Coach Danita here with another job searching tip. And today I want to talk to you about dating future employers. Your introduction or handshake is usually that resume or that application or that cover letter. When you're first dating somebody, you don't usually give them all your information right away. You don't go through your whole dating history and you don't go through all of your goals and aspirations. You kind of want to get to know each other first before you feel comfortable sharing more details. Am I right? You want to think of it that way when you're applying for these jobs for employers. You don't have to give them your address on the resume. Takes up space, city and state is fine. You don't have to give them your criminal history when you're first applying for the job. There's some HR laws about that. If you want to find out more, just Google it. You want them to get to know you before they get to all that information because you want to make sure you're qualified for the job first and they know you're qualified for the job. And then let's talk details. Any type of disability or injury that you may have. It's none of the employer's business when you're first applying. Truth be told, they really don't need to know your health status or anything like that unless you're injured on the job and you're somehow applying for workers' compensation. Or if it's a disability that precludes you from doing the specific job you're applying for. Now let's talk about your visa status. I know if you're coming from a different country and you're here in the United States and you'd like to apply for work, the first thing you want to do is be forthcoming about your situation so that your employer can make a really good decision, right? Visa status is a little bit too much information if you're just applying. Let them find out if you're qualified for the role, and then you can have a deeper conversation once it's actually required. And last but not least, know family demographics. Now, it used to be where if you were in sales or traveling sales, employers would ask certain questions about your family demographics in order to make sure you were flexible enough to travel for sales and that your family status or marital status wouldn't hold you back from doing those sales calls or running those sales runs across the country. We're not there anymore. Lots of things have switched to digital and electronic, so your family dynamics is your business, even if it's just your fur babies and you.